elections now, because ahead of the West Bengal elections, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has accused the Election Commission of India of being involved in grave conspiracy, with the BJP trying to manipulate the electoral rolls in the state, alleging in a letter to the Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar that the BJP agents are submitting large numbers of Form 6 applications to include outsiders as voters and interfere with the democratic rights of the people of Bengal. She has also claimed that thousands of such applications are being processed at the Chief Electoral Officer's office, while the Chief Electoral Officer Manoj Agarwal says that these complaints are taken very seriously and would be investigated, even as the BJP has firmly dismissed the charges by Mamata Banerjee.
This bulk submission of Form 6 applications is a systematic and planned attempt to loot the votes in Bengal, a systematic and planned attempt to destroy democracy in Bengal.
This letter clearly states that these are the appeals being submitted against exclusion from the electoral roll, and it also emphasizes that these are not Form 6.
Now, as far as these developments are concerned, and this comes after the BJP alleged that not just the voters list, but even the cuisine of Bengal is being hijacked. As Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee now says that it is the BJP that restricts the consumption of fish and non-vegetarian food by the BJP and the state that it governs, and has warned that non-vegetarian food could also face curbs if the party comes to power in West Bengal.
आगे आने वाले समय में भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जो मुख्यमंत्री बनने वाले हैं वो भी कोई नॉनवेज खाने वाले ही बनेगा, तो अगर खुद ही नॉनवेज खाने वाला मुख्यमंत्री बनेगा तो कैसे बंद कर सकता है?
मेरे समझ में नहीं आया किस आधार पर उन्होंने कहा। देखिए, त्रिपुरा में, पूरा भारत में त्रिपुरा हाईएस्ट माने फिश ईटर जानते हैं आप, तो बीजेपी शासित है, तो वहां पर अगर हाईएस्ट फिश ईटर है तो बंगाल में कैसे ये बीजेपी शासित अगर बनेगा तो वहां पर फिश नहीं खाएगा।
दिस इज बीइंग डन to divide and rule. Recently we saw Mahua Moitra even divide freedom fighters on the basis of region and states. How low will the TMC go in order to divide people and to create and cause fights on the issue of identity rather than to speak on the performance of the West Bengal government?
আবার বলছে বিজেপি রাজ্যে মাছ খেতে দিচ্ছে না, মাংস খাওয়া বন্ধ, মাছের দোকানে গিয়ে মারছে, মাংসের দোকানে গিয়ে মারছে। আরে বাংলার লোকেরা তো মাছে ভাতে থাকে, তুমি বাংলার লোকেদের বলছো মাছ খাওয়া যাবে না, মাংস খাওয়া যাবে না, ডিম খাওয়া যাবে না, তো কি খাবে? মাথা খাবে? বিজেপি রাজ্যে মাছ খাওয়া যায় না, মাংস খেতে পারবেন না, ডিম খেতে পারবেন না। আপনারা আপনাদের ধর্মীয় যে আচার অনুষ্ঠান করেন সেটাও বিজেপি এক পক্ষ, ওরা কোনো ধর্ম মানে না আর ওরা দাঙ্গা করে।
Well, Hridita, election season, political discourse, what has been witnessed has actually now dragged in food and the people's choices, what to consume. And this is a fight between meat ban claims that has been made, to which Mamata Banerjee seems to be reacting.
Absolutely, you see that this entire week, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has been campaigning in various towns of West Bengal, and in all of these districts, she has been stating that if BJP comes to power, then they are going to curb your rights, which is basic rights like eating, wearing clothes, practicing your religion, all of that. So you see, she has said that if BJP comes to power, then no meat, no fish, no eggs will be allowed, and this had come earlier when we had seen a poster being hung outside Bazaar in Bihar, where it was written of the meat market to be of the meat that has to be sold inside the market. In that same retaliation, Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress party had drawn the example in Bengal and stated that if this can happen in the state where BJP is ruling, this can happen in Bengal also. She has told the people in Bengal that it is going to be the same, where people will not be allowed to eat meat, egg or fish, or neither perform the rituals that they perform for their religion. Earlier we used to see it was a Hindu-Muslim difference
Yes.
that was brought in by the Trinamool Congress party, and now also
So
we see
appeasement politics
that
to now food politics. But Hridita, what is that now she seems to be alleging as far as submission of Form 6 is also concerned? Because she has been saying that the BJP is trying to manipulate the electoral rolls on part of the Election Commission. And this is something that the State Election Commission seems to have also taken cognizance.
Well, absolutely. You see that day before yesterday, Abhishek Banerjee had also gone to the CEO office all of a sudden, where we had seen that suddenly when he went inside, our 3-member delegation was also led in by the Trinamool Congress party by Chandrima Bhattacharya, Shashi Panja and other ministers who had accompanied them, and they had said that BJP people are inside the party office. Pictures have been leaked by the Trinamool Congress party over their X handle as well, where it was seen that BJP people are inside the CEO office and are manipulating the electoral rolls. They say this is a bigger format of conspiracy that is played by Ganesh Kumar in the blueprints of BJP, and it is being supervised here by the Manoj Agarwal, the chief electoral officer out here. He says that the Form 6 applicants include who are from outsiders, who are the voters majorly of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, and their
Yes.
names are being included in the list of Bengal out here only to soft target Bengal and to sideline the Bengali voters. So they
So she's
say
been
that
making
this
those
is
claims in a letter that she has written to the Chief Election Commissioner. The BJP, however, denying claims, and the political discourse now seems to have added food into the controversy as well during political speeches being made at election rallies. Thank you very much for the moment, Hridita, for joining in. Let's talk